you. Thank you. And before we get on to this video, before I tell you anything else, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your friends and family. Today we are going to be hiking a little bit and playing on a swing thing, but instead of sitting on it, you hold on to it. I got a song for you. Boom, boom, shake the room, say what? Yeah. That sounds cool. We are here at the lake park, and I'm gonna grab a rock and listen to the sound, okay? And watch it. That's so cool. I want to do it one more time. Cool. Okay, let's get up. I gotta take my horse to the old town road. I gotta ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back. Last one has to turn. Let's go this way. Hey guys, welcome to Kristie's episodes of How to Plant a Tree. First, you grab some seeds, yeah. Then, you get some soil, put it on ground, then put the seeds on. And to plant a tree, water it after you water your tree. Walk away, take a nap, come back, water it again. And wait until the next day. The cameraman's looking at me really weirdly, but why not? Wait until the next day. Go to school if you have school, or homeschool. Then after school, go back to your plant, water it, take a nap, wake up, and go water it again. Those little small trees, if that's even a tree, are going to grow into one of these, but up, like this. And it's going to grow so big that it'll be bigger than you. Follow my instructions. And, don't cut down trees if you don't have to. If you have to, you can, but I wouldn't. Because trees give you oxygen, so then you can breathe fresh air, and you won't be smelling like fish. I'm gonna blow these. Now, next one. That looks cool. Bye-bye. Yes. my cameraman and my editor. Bye everyone, and peace out. Love you.